Mark's big game. Mark's favorite sport is hockey. Mark's favorite sport is hockey. He is 15 years old. He is 15 years old. Mark practices 3 times a week. Mark practices 3 times a week. Practices are 2 hours long. Practices are 2 hours long. Mark plays 1 game a week. Mark plays 1 game a week. Mark is a good hockey player. Mark is a good hockey player. He plays on Friday nights. He plays on Friday nights. Friday night hockey games are popular. Friday night hockey games are popular. Mark's family watches him play. Mark's family watches him play. Mark's friends watch him play too. Mark's friends watch him play too. There are always many fans. There are always many fans. Tonight is the big game. Tonight is the big game. Coaches are coming to watch Mark play. Coaches are coming to watch Mark play. Mark wants to play in the National Hockey League. Mark wants to play in the National Hockey League. Mark wants to make a lot of money. Mark wants to make a lot of money. It is very hard to play in the NHL. It is very hard to play in the NHL. Mark's parents want him to go to college. Mark's parents want him to go to college. They want him to have an education. They want him to have an education. They want Mark to be successful. They want Mark to be successful. They want Mark to be happy. They want Mark to be happy.